A Lush green smoothie is a really fun and delicious way to pack in a huge handful of spinach. Hearty greens, you're gonna get all those nutrients without even tasting it. The way that we're gonna do that is we're gonna make it a tropical green smoothie. So we're adding some frozen pineapple, frozen mango, and a bunch of frozen banana, along with some vanilla almond milk. And that's gonna make it really creamy and sweet and flavorful. I promise you, you're not even gonna taste the spinach. It's just gonna make it a beautiful green smoothie that's gonna make you energized and healthy throughout the day.
And there you have it, a lush green smoothie that you absolutely must try at home.
Hello everyone. In this video we're going to show you how to make a watermelon smoothie. All you need is some cut pieces of watermelon, couple of scoops of vanilla ice cream, and some ice, crushed ice. All the ingredients in: the melon piece, vanilla ice cream, and ice cubes in there. Yep. There we are. A lovely, delicious melon smoothie. Simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please log into my website www.indianrestaurantcooking.com and please click the like button.
Welcome to episode 1 of Jordan's Cookery Show. Today we'll be making instant watermelon smoothie. What you need for this is a watermelon. This is a baby watermelon. Wire cutters, a coat hanger or wire coat hanger, pint glass, and a drill. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get your wire coat hanger. You need to cut one of the ends off, like so. In the interest of time, I've already done this. You then take your drill and you insert the wire coat hanger as thus into the drill. Tighten it up now. What this is your homemade whisk. I've also forgot one key piece of equipment. There's a sharp knife. Now if you're under the age of about 16, I would advise getting a parental supervision while using sharp objects. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to make an incision into the watermelon. Okay, now whisk, insert into the watermelon. Okay, so there we have it. There's our blended watermelon. Of course, you could use a blender for this and just cut it up, but where's the fun in that? So next is, could do with some form of spout, but I'm not going to need that. And it should, in theory, pour everywhere.
Cool.
Refreshing.
Where's the rest of it?
Okay, so what we did wrong was, I don't think we blended it enough. Chop it up and use a blender.
Hey, Santa Claus here. Make sure everybody lose 1 to 8 more days until Christmas. My sister is gonna pick a letter from the letterbox, so now we're gonna do today.
Thanks, Santa. This is one from our YouTubers. Dear Santa, can you show me how to make a smoothie? Any type, please. I really need help. Love, Fallout X Vegas.
Watch this, Fallout X Vegas. Today we're making strawberry smoothies. And we have a special guest. His name is Timmy. Our first ingredient is some milk, which Timmy's gonna do. Look at there. And my special ingredients is frozen strawberries. You wanna help? Grab some strawberries and put them in. Our next ingredient is vanilla yogurt. Some of that. Put it in. Some next spoon. And one more.
Yeah.
And our next ingredient is some ice cream. Strawberry. And now we're gonna put it in the blender. Gotta put the lid on. So do you like it? Mm-hmm.